I'll be teaching you how to cut a collar for a shirt. To cut a collar for a shirt, you need to fold your gum into two. Get the measurement of your neck. I'll be cutting a neck of 16. I'll divide into two, which is 8. And then I'll add 1 inch for the button on the neck. That's the collar stand. Okay, it's very easy. I'm adjusting so that I'll get the perfect measurement. So this is 8, 16. That's the 16. The actual neck plus 1 inch. This is 18. So this is cool and perfect. I'll just mark it. And then I would place my collar pattern and then trace it. You can trace with a pen or a pencil. If it's a white shirt, if trace with a pencil, it's usually best to use a pencil to trace so that you don't have stains on your clothes. So now I've gotten this collar stand. Then for the main collar is actually the exact measurement you got, which is 16, and I'm cutting at 8. You can see 8 here. I'll just mark 8, and then I'll bring this and place it here. This is 8, and then I'll follow the tracing of my pattern, tracing of the collar pattern, and then I'll draw it down here. This is the exact pattern. Now you follow through, cut from what you've drawn. Please make sure you don't make mistakes while tracing this, because if there are errors on the collar measurement, when the customer wears it and it doesn't sit perfectly, then there's a big error. So the collar is also a very important part of your clothing. Then you notch here, and then I'm going to shape this collar stand at this point to get that curve. So this is it. I can just cut out some parts for this to just attach to the tip of the collar to make it firm or stronger. So this is it. We have our collar stand and the collar. This is it. I didn't notch this part. I will notch it after gumming, and I'll show you why. So this is how what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Sketch it like this, and then we'll gum this part here and here. So let's move over to the gumming part.